Right guys, I've got two cars to show you here. An old CX and next to it this old CX25 TRD Turbo. Now that's a rare find. That is a rare find, guys. So the CX25 TRD Turbo had a turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine diesel. It was pretty much the quickest diesel of its time, and it's the last original Citroen before Peugeot Group took over in the late 70s. It produced 95 PS, 94 brake horsepower, maximum torque of 216 Newton meters at 2000 RPM. It had front wheel drive, 5-speed manual gearbox. But what probably set this car apart from others back in the day was it had hydro-pneumatic front and rear suspension. Thanks for watching this short one, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more videos and check out the playlist. Thank you.